AKSD Town Management Ltd has been active in Debrecen since the 1st of January 1992, and now its services are available in several parts of the region. Our company's owners are ASA AVV Environmental Holding Ltd and the Municipality of Debrecen. Our philosophy has remained unchanged since our launching: quality activity, the increase of customer satisfaction, and the protection of our environment. To achieve this, our company runs up-to-date waste management apparatus, including municipal, public and industrial waste collection, as well as maintenance of public places and cemetery services. Yearly sales returns of our company fall into a magnitude of 3.5 billion forints. We successively improve our activities using the experience gained from our services. In 1992, we launched the organized communal waste collection in Debrecen on a new base. Besides the use of modern, environmentally friendly, dust-free, low noise level and high compression efficiency pickup vehicles, AKSD Ltd has also equipped the town's real estates with uniform collecting bins suitable for solid waste collection. Besides Debrecen aspiring to regionality, we also deal with communal waste management in 24 settlements at present. Our company provides preferential waste disposal facilities, services to the public. The building and operating of waste management plant in Vértesi Street has contributed to the realization of European quality waste management of Debrecen. The new deposit was built in the waste management zone of the town in company with the old dump, sewage farm and collected sewage management plant. The deposit is available for communal wastes, harmless industrial wastes, building wastes and soil wastes. The deposit, being built successively by parts, lies on 22.3 hectares. Its capacity is about 3.5 million cubic meter, which ensures Debrecen and its environs a safe communal waste management for approximately 40 years. The built-in height of deposit will be 25 meters. The new waste deposit is of a combined lining system. Contaminated leachates are being collected by a drain system. Besides, the continuous compression and covering of wastes are also ensured, also the recultivation of deposit. Biogas formed in the biological decomposition of wastes is extracted and reused. Monitoring of soil and stratum water in a depth of 5-15 meters is carried out by monitoring wells. Collection islands have been in use since 2003. By the end of 2006, there will be 186 collection islands covering a significant part of Debrecen, with these where paper, glass and plastic waste collection is possible. There is a 20% increase in the figures yearly. Within ISPA program, collection islands have been installed in the region as well. We have 125 islands in the surrounding settlements at present. As a new initiative, the collection of aluminium beverage cans has been introduced in 2006, which is primarily achieved through shop systems, places of entertainment, catering establishments and schools. We have started to collect beverage cans, milk and fruit juice by fractions at the collection islands. On the 2nd of June in 2006, on the occasion of International Day of Environmental Protection, the first public waste yard of Hajdú-Bihar County has been opened. The investment was self-financed by AKSD Ltd. It is a free disposal site for the public for electric devices, furniture, lumber, tires and paint waste. We provide possibility to the public to transport reusable and dangerous wastes to the site by their own vehicles. The selecting, treatment and baling of selectively collected wastes is carried out in an approximately 2,000 square meter hall at Vértesi Street Regional Waste Management Plant. Small, high-specific weight wastes are filtered out by a drum sieve. Then the waste is selected by type on the selecting unit. 20 people are working at 2 units. The selected material falls into store compartments found under the selecting cabin, then it comes to the conveyor belt of the baling unit. Compression of waste is carried out by a high-performance baling device. Bales are transported to recyclers where finished products are made from them. Among selected process materials, there are primarily paper and plastic wastes, but there are also metal and glass wastes. Performance of the selecting plant is 20,000 tons a year in 2 shifts. According to the large-scale plants and institutes' claims, we provide waste collecting bins of various size. Our colleagues make up the waste management scheme for free, which, taking into consideration our partners' conditions, offers the most modern and most economical solution to waste management. A great deal of waste is produced during the everyday activities of private businesses and institutes, the significant part of which can be reusable in case of selective collection. Paper, plastic, glass, motor vehicle tire and battery. Depending on the amount of waste, open or closed containers of volumes between 3 and 32 cubic meter are installed at our partners. Our company has a major role in the dangerous waste management of the region, including pharmaceutical mycelium, hydrocarbon-contaminated soils and management of railway embankments. Several environmental damage exemptions are done by us on behalf of MOL plc and MAV plc. As a pioneering initiative in Central and Eastern Hungary, one of the strategic aims of our company is the development of the manufacturing technology of high biological value compost. The production of biomass super AKSD compost, tested by the official laboratory of the Department of Agriculture and National Public Health Institute, receiving a good professional qualification, began in June 2006. Expected capacity is 30,000–50,000 cubic meter a year. Biomass to be processed, the basic material of which in our case is sewage sludge and agricultural side products, does not contain the microflora that degrades and rebuilds organic materials in soils to humus materials. Contrary to spontaneous decomposition, the aim of compostation controlled by inoculating agents is to produce microbiologically and biochemically plant-friendly final products. With the technology of AKSD Ltd, a soil fertility improver product having a permission for commercial distribution can be produced. For the moment it was Debrecen and at the same time Transdanubia, Papa and Topolta, where excellent quality compost was prepared from communal sewage sludge for the first time. In accordance with laws, our company extended its activity from the 1st of September 2005 to cover the organized collection of electric and electronic devices for the reduction of the load of environment with e-waste. Our company has licenses for collection and treatment. We are present in the system of Electrocourt Public Company as a collector and handler of e-waste by handling collected waste or transport them to other participants of this public company. We provide the opportunity for economic companies and public companies to establish cooperation with us on free of charge collection of this particular of wastes. At the moment we have around 40 partners: Teva, FAG, Heliker, local governments, etc. In autumn and spring, free collections are organized for the people within the confines of lumber collecting actions. Prior to these collections, the attention of the public is called for the collecting days and places by papers, television, radio and our newsletter. After collection, the waste is disassembled by fractions, ensuring further marketing of particular parts. The environment-sparing disposal of non-utilizable parts is resolved. Our primary function is the maintenance of the 2/3 of green zones of the town at around 2.4 million square meter. We are assigned with this task by the local government of Debrecen as we are the winner of their public procurement procedure. We perform park maintenance for institutes and ventures on demand, for example Waterworks of Debrecen Joint Stock Venture, Metro Supermarket, Kölcsei Conference Center, schools, public demands, condomini. 80–86% of green zones is lawn. We mow more than 5 million square meter in a year. Currently, John Deere and Kubota lawn mowers are used. Our company cultivates around 5,000 square meter of flower surface. Significant part of these flowers are grown in our own horticulture. The AKSD Ltd presents its own flower car at the programs of the Flower Carnival of Debrecen, where they were awarded several times. On demand of the local government of Debrecen, our company performs the removal of dust from the roads of the town in summertime. We run an everyday timing cleaning on our maintenance area of 150,000 square meters. The downtown is cleaned every day, the periphery is once a week on predetermined days. In the pedestrian belts of Piac Street and Kossuth Square, we work continually in multi-shift, even on rest days and on high days. Our company provides the anti-skidding and snow-removing activities on a part of the road system of Debrecen, which we perform according to the route schedule of the local government. Our company provides funeral and enshrinement service at the cemeteries of Debrecen, Debrecen-Józsa, Bocskaikert and Püspökladány. Our specialists provide the horticultural, technician support and the enlargement of the cemetery parks. The maintenance of cemetery will be performed until 2018 in agreement with the contraction with the local government of Debrecen. Death always rounds on our beloved persons and relatives suddenly. You are at a loss in hard times of convulsion. We offer full service in the minutes of perplexity. At the ordering of the funeral enshrinement accessories could be chosen in our exhibition room. A wide range of our enshrinement accessories, coffins, shrouds, urns, grave signs, etc. offers the chance for everyone to choose by its style and financial potential. In favor of the high-quality accomplishment of demands of customers and continuing development of the services offered by our company, AKSD Ltd operates ISO 9001-2000 quality assurance system. Our company is committed not even to improve the quality of its services, but to extend the environmental performance. For this reason, ISO 14001-2004 environmental controlling system is operated parallel with the quality assurance system. Besides the compliance with the environmental protection laws, it is also our intention to improve the environmental consciousness of people and the personal sector. AKSD Ltd introduced the controlling system of industrial healthcare and safety, MEBIR, in 2006, aside the quality assurance and environmental controlling systems on the basis of Hungarian standard of 28001-2003. The effectiveness of labor safety, quality assurance system and environmental controlling system is proven by the certificates of SGS Hungary Ltd, an independent international certifying organization. In order to improve the effectiveness of the work, we introduced a GPS-based vehicle following system in the autumn of 2005. With the help of this system, we are able to track every workflow on the particular activity areas. We follow with attention the observance of the route of line, the move of the boom of container trucks, the position of the snow plows and salt casters and the fuel consumption of the vehicles. In any period of the day and anywhere, GPS is able to follow the vehicle, and with the help of this we have the chance for fast reaction and to find cost-effective solutions even for instant orders. The general performance of the company progresses, the risk of accidents at work decreases on the operation of controlling and vehicle following systems, and it also offers the chance for us to gain advantage in market competition. AKSD Town Management Ltd. Everyday responsibility.